How to share posts on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share posts on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and now just click on your profile and then click here, select any post you want, and here we'll find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and here we'll find the share to. Now just click on it and select anything you want here, and that's it. That's how to share any post you want, like this one, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.